أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Okay, so this is Surah Al-Baqarah. If anybody wants to know where is Al-Baqarah written, it's written right here, but it's written in in a calligraphic style. Suratul Baqarah and Madaniyah. So it's revealed in Medina. Suratul Baqarah was revealed in Medina. Okay. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. These are the special letters. They are called huruf muqatta'at. You can call them special letters. They are usually in the beginning of a new chapter. The name of this chapter is Surah Al-Baqarah. I'm going to read it. Notice that the lam and the meme have maddas. Notice one more very big thing. They don't have fatha, dhamma, kasra. So then I am going to name them. Usually we do skip letters, but if it's like special letters, we don't skip them. Alif, lam, meme. It's written right here also. Okay, let's go ahead. Go ahead, Ashley. Help me. This is what is it now?
That's the dal.
Yes, dal's twin val.
Dal. So da
Good job. This is e. Lam with the kasra.
li
Kaf with the fatha.
ka
Dhalika. How is it?
zalika.
Good job.
Dalika.
Yes, I'm just keeping this two tap. Dhalika. Go ahead, Fatima. Dhalika, but it is connecting. Kaf with the fatha ka will not take the letter. It will take the letter with the sukoon. Dhalikal.
Okay, so this would be Dalika Kaf. Or sorry, this one listed right here.
Yes, the lam. So kal is good because we're skipping the alif. Kal.
This would be Dalikal.
Good job. Give me a more nicer the tip of the tongue touches the front two teeth, front side of the front two teeth. Good job. Valikal.
Dalikal.
Good job. This is E. Kaf with the kasra.
Ki.
Good job. Ta with long fatha.
Ta.
This is U. Ba with the dhamma.
Bu.
Kitabu. Kitab.
Ki. So Kitabu.
Yes, very nice. What are we doing? Keeping this short, short, one tap, but this one goes two tap.
Okay.
Kitabu la.
La.
Yes. Why did it go long, Ashley? Go ahead, Ashley. Help. Lam with a fatha with an alif. Because of this alif, it went double long. La.
La.
Good job. How about with this one, Ashley? Ra with a fatha. Ra.
Ra.
Ya with the sukoon is E. Ra and E, put them together.
Rai.
Good job. Ba with the fatha.
Ba.
Good job. Fi and E, put them together.
Fi.
Good job, Fi. This is E. Ha with the kasra.
He.
Good job. This is U. Ha with the dhamma.
Who.
Okay. One thing we know, the shadda does not take the twin fathas or kasras or dhammas. It's only going to let one of them come back to it. So first let's establish da with the fatha. Da is not going to take this letter. Yeah? Is letter important or is letter with the shadda important? Letter with the shadda. Totally skip this one. Da and li, bang them together.
Dali.
Good job. Dalli is good. And li and lam, lil. Hudallil.
Dalil.
Good job. Go ahead, Fatima. Be with the mamu. Ta with the fatata. Bang them together.
Muta.
Good job. This is E. Qaf with the kasra.
Ki.
Ya with the sukoon. E. Qi and E. Put them together.
Ki.
Good job. Qi. And nun with the
Na.
fatha. Good job. So if I say هدى للمتقين. That's what it is. But usually you will hear هدى للمتقين. So that is an advanced step. What we do every sukoon end, we kind of take the sound and we kind of tie a knot on it. We kind of make the sound silent. متقين. ينفقون is the right word, but ينفقون advance. We kind of make a stop here. This is like a period. We are stopping. But we can even in Arabic, what we do, we show it with the last letter of the word that we stopped. We kind of tie a knot on it. ينفقون. Show that it's a stop. ينفقون. Like that. يوقنون is the correct word. Let's show that you want to stop. يوقنون. So we just take the last letter and kind of do something different to the last letter, kind of tie a knot on it. Okay. Let's go back. Let's go, Fatima. So now we have a lam, we have a shadda, and something needs to bang onto the shadda. Let's take this alif because we are following the rule to make a pause here. Now we have
Mhm.
alif left. Let's go take the alif. And la, bang it. Allah.
Allah.
Good job. This is E. Dal with a kasra.
D.
Good job. So D is good, but it's more like dal. Push your tip of the tongue more towards the front two side of the front two teeth. The.
D.
More front. The almost your tip of the tongue
B.
should be visible, to the person in front of you. The. For in the dal, it's behind the front two teeth. For the dal, it's touching the front side of the front two teeth. الذين.
So B. Sorry. Alladina.
Okay, good job. الذين. Yeah, with the dhamma.
This is with the you.
Good job. You and hopping hamza. So hopping hamza, we were like, this is kind of is going to make the you hop. You.
So you.
Good job. Totally ignore the wow. Sukoon can only take one of them. You. This is E, meme with the kasra.
Me. You. Me.
Good job. Nu and oo, put them together. Stretch.
Apologize. Say that one more time.
Nu and oo, put them together.
No.
Good job. Nu and oo. And when you glue them together, nu.
No.
You, me, nu, na.
So this is you. Sorry. This is
You and hopping hamza. You.
you,
Good job.
me,
Good job.
and tu, no, na.
Excellent. Good job, mashallah. You, me, no, na is good. It's supposed to be a difficult word, but mashallah, you people know the rules, so it's going to be easy, inshallah. This is something new. Hamza with the sukoon is something new. Hamza with the sukoon is like making this you hop. You, me, no, na. Or you can say it like you is like doing a hiccup. You, me, no, na. Like that. Okay, let's go. Ashley, this is A. Ba with the kasra.
B.
Good job. The B. Is it going to choose the alif with it or is it going to choose the lam? Letter or letter with a sukoon?
The lam with the sukoon.
Yes, that's correct. Bill. How is it?
Bill.
Bill is just like the English, bill, the utility, bill. Okay, bill. Ghain the fatta. God.
Ain.
Yes,
Ah.
letter. Ra is good. Ra and E, put them together.
Hi.
Good job. Bil ghaibi.
بالغيب.
B.
بالغيب.
Very nice. Bil ghaibi is good. Go ahead. Wow with the fatta.
Wa.
This is ya with the dhamma.
You.
Wa yuqi. How is it?
Why? Oh wait, I'm sorry. Why?
Very nice. Very nice.
I'm sorry, can you say it one more time?
ويقي.
Yuki.
Good job. Mu and u, put them together.
Mu.
Good job.
Na.
Nun with the fatana. Good job. Go ahead. Go ahead, Fatima. ويقي.
Wa Yuki.
Good job. Mu.
And this is Mu
Na.
Na.
Okay. Fatima, na. Is it going to take the alif, the lam, or the sad?
The Sad.
That's right. Na and saw. Bang them together.
Nasa.
Good job. There's a tricky lam hiding here. Lam with long fatha.
La.
Good job. And is this ha or is this ta?
This is Sa.
This is a ha. You are correct. But somebody else is sitting, sharing a
Oh,
part
okay.
of the ha. So this is ah or this is this ha or is this ta?
This would be Ta.
Yes. Okay. If the dots are not there, it's a complete ha. Okay.
Okay.
And we will say ha. But if the ta wants to come and share some part of this ha, then the ta took the fatha. Ta. I'll just read from here to here, and then Fatma will help me here. وَيُقِيمُونَ الصَّلَاةَ. Go ahead. Wa with the fatha.
This is Wa, then Me,
Good job.
and
Me.
then the other one is Ma.
Very nice. Me and ma, bang them together.
Mima.
Add the alif, make it go double long.
So Mima.
Very nice. Wa mimma is good. MashaAllah. Okay, I'm going to read this for you, inshallah. So reading is also like when the other person is reading, that's also a learning for you people. I'm going to go slow. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alif Lam Mim. ذلك الكتاب لا ريب فيه. I'm following kind of a rule here. I'm doing raiba, but here I'm saying fi. I made a waqf. هدى للمتقين. I made a waqf. الذين يؤمنون بالغيب ويقيمون الصلاة ومما رزقناهم ينفقون والذين يؤمنون بما أنزل إليك وما أنزل من قبلك. I'm making a waqf here. وبالآخرة هم يوقنون. Again, this one is a ha, but it's shared, the ta is sharing. So whoever comes first, whichever letter comes first, grabs the letter. Khi, ra, the kha came, ra came, ta came, ha came, but the ta came first and it grabbed the kasra. وَبِالْآخِرَةِ. Okay, so inshallah, we'll keep it till here. This is the first sheet of Surah Al-Baqarah, chapter Al-Baqarah, and you can revise from there.